gift that I received for free to review. Okay, for free. Yeah, free. Yeah, free.
There comes a time in every man's life.
Welcome back to my channel, gorgeous people. How are you all doing today? Hope you're all having an amazing day. Hope you're having an amazing week as well. Thank you all so much for your likes. Thank you for your comments. Thank you for your subscriptions. Thank you to my old and my new subscribers. I appreciate you all. God bless you all. If today is your first time coming across my channel, please don't forget to subscribe and do turn on your notification bell in order for you to know whenever I upload. So for today's video is going to be my unboxing of gifts that I received from Influenster and also from Estee Lauder. They both came in like 2 or 3 weeks apart, and I wasn't expecting. I just got home and I found these beautiful gifts waiting for me at the front of my house. I was so excited and I'm here to share it with you. For the Influencer one, I already posted a picture about it on my Instagram. If you follow me on Instagram, you must have seen the picture right there, and the products are right here. I just wanted to share it with you all too, because some of my viewers here were not they are not my part of my family on Instagram, and I would so much appreciate it if you can follow me on Instagram as well. But I thought, why not come over here at the same time to show you guys what I have in stock, the gift that I received for free to review. Okay, for free. Yeah, free. Yeah, free. Okay, all right, without wasting much of your time, let's jump right into this video. So this was sent to me by Influencer. It's called Dexin's Witch Hazel Skincare. All right, and those are the range of product that they have, but they sent the blue one to me, and the blue one is right here. It comes in, it has this, it says pure power, pure clean, pure you. Those are the things they wrote at the back, and I believe things that you can read about these products. I'm not going to bore you guys out reading it, because you know it's a waste of time. If you're interested in buying the product, you know, you can always Google it and read as much as you want on it. I don't want to prolong this video. I just wanted to share this part of this gift with you guys. And this is the deep cleansing astringent. It's 92% natural distilled witch hazel exclusive formula. Like, this contains no alcohol and it has no oil in it, and it's a good product because it's going to clear your pores. All right, enhanced with cooling menthol. Yes, that's what I like about it, and it helps to penetrate into the pore, extracting blemish causing dirt and oil. So this is the first thing in the box, and the next thing that came in the box, I only have 2 products inside of the box. The next one is deep cleansing exfoliating pad. This is also powered by 92% natural distilled witch hazel exclusive formula. This also clear pores. It's paraffin free. It has menthol. So inside it, like, you have the pad inside it. I would say this is more advisable, like if you're going somewhere, you're traveling and you don't want to go with, because you don't want to go with a big bottle like this, you can just go with this. Both of them are going to cleanse your skin. This is deep cleansing, this is deep cleansing as well. So I would say this is more advisable for traveling purpose. And inside, and of course it has menthol, and it's well saturated, like the liquid is right in there. It's like, you know, good to go. I'm going to be using this to clean my makeup and, you know, do my night routine. I'll quickly do that for you guys to see what I normally do, okay, before I go to bed. All right, I'm not going to put this back in there because I don't want to contaminate this one, so I'm just going to set this one apart, and I'll go ahead and cover it. This is of course by Estee Lauder. This came in as well. I was so excited to receive this, and this is their fall 2019 skincare that they just released, and they sent me this package for me to try. Okay, as in, I'm just so blessed to have worked with this company in the past. I still keep thinking why I keep receiving gifts, even though I'm no longer a beauty rep. I used to be a counter manager when I was working with them. That was back in Germany. For 3 years I was with them, and since I left, I've been receiving gifts, every now and then. I got worried. I called the HR and I talked to them about it, and they were like, well, if I'm getting it, I should just, keep enjoying it, and I'm going to keep enjoying it as long as it lasts. But I thank God for this opportunity once again. So I thought to come and share this with you guys. This is what I have in this box. I have this Revitalizing Supreme Night Cream. It's the new release. It's for fall 2019, and this is intensive restorative cream. It's going to help you with your skin. I can assure you, Estee Lauder product might be a little bit pricey, but honestly speaking, it does what it said it's going to do. When I was working with them, I used to get all this free. So when I stopped, I kind of like, do I want to spend like $60 on just small bottle? This might be like $80 if I'm not wrong, or close to 100 or so. So I kind of, I stopped buying some. I buy some that I could be able to afford in their brand. So like I said, this is Revitalizing Supreme Plus, because they do have Revitalizing Supreme, but this one is the plus and this one is for the night, and these are fall collection for 2019. Okay, and the next one that they sent me, it's the Advanced Night Repairs Intense Recent Concentrate. This one is a serum as well, but it's the concentrated one, which is a thicker one, which is going to help you with your skin. It's going to help you with your pores. Like seriously, it's going to reconstruct every area of your face that needs construction. This is reset. Okay, this is called reset. So that's what it's supposed to do, to reset your face. Anyway, let's move on to this bad boy. You know what I call this bad boy? Advanced Night Repair. This serum, I'm not gonna lie to you, this is my number one. When I was working with them, like I sell this thing like pure water. If you are from Nigeria, you will know what I mean. Even though it was expensive, the way I sell it, I don't know, but I thank God I always sell it, because when I market it to people that come to my counter and I tell them how amazing this serum is, they always end up buying it and they come back to buy more. I want you guys to try this serum out. It might be a little bit pricey, like I said, but it's gonna awesomely wake you, like when you are tired, completely tired, and you wake up in the morning, you can actually see the bag under your eyes. Give this bad boy a try. I'm telling you, mix it a little bit of it with your concealer and you dab it under your eyes. It's gonna like awaken you. You're gonna look like you slept the entire night. You will look refreshed. I am not kidding. This, I don't joke with it. This is the number one serum for me. Honestly speaking, I love it. So I take off the makeup. Ooh, yucky, look at that. I'll take off the whole makeup, then I wash my face with Dudu Oso soap. I'll show you what Dudu Oso looks like. I'm going to go to my bathroom, I wash it, then I'll come back and apply all my night cream. So this is the Dudu Oso I was talking about. This is what I use to wash my face after I cleanse my face. And I'm going to come in with a cleanser. This is by Estee Lauder. This is for if you have this is for all skin type. It's a multi-action foam cleanser by Estee Lauder. I will use that to, after the soap, I will use it to wash the face, wash my face again. Then in order to remove the eye makeup, sometimes we put eyeshadow under our eyes, or you put eye pencil and all that. Then I'll come in with a pad and just dab it, put some, and make sure I get rid of all the leftover. A little go a long way. This is the amount I pump from the concentrated one. I'm going to show you how the other one look like, but I'm not using it. I only use this in the morning. Like I said, you see, this one is thin. It's thin compared to the thicker one. See that one right there compared to this one. So I'm going to go ahead and just put that all over my face. I do have an eye cream as well, but I ran out of it. I'm going to go ahead and purchase another one. It's by Estee Lauder as well. All I do, I just dab a little under my eyes and just like that, and that is it. And I will come in with the night cream. Go ahead and massage your face if you want to, but for the sake of this video in order for the battery not to disappoint me. I'm just going to go ahead and hurry up and get over it. Massaging this motion for your neck. That's how to do the neck. Your face is upward motion, you know, like so. Well, I won't be able to do that right now. Then after that, I just take out this because I don't sleep with wig cap, and I put on this. This is what I sleep on. Go ahead and put me some. Where is my lip? Bam. I apply some. And off I go to bed. This is it, guys. I hope you all enjoy watching this video. Please let me know what you think down below. What do you think about my nighttime routine? Do you find it easy or complicated? Please drop your comment down below. Thank you all for watching, and I will see you all in my next video. Stay blessed. Bye bye.